Good morning children, back to the class. So dear children, today we are going to learn English 2nd for 7th students. Other day I have completed the poem, the lake poem. So today we will be seeing the new lesson. You might have read on the board by this time. So what is our new lesson? Export quality. So what is our new lesson? Export quality. So this export quality lesson name, when we see, maybe you will think that maybe any about the things we are speaking. This is export quality. Name is given about one lady, the experience what she had in the shopping mall when she returned back from other places. So after a long time she returned from England. So when she is his childhood, she has gone to the England. Then she returned after many years. After many years, she has returned back to India. Then that time the experience what she had. When we come from, we are totally attached or we are familiar with one culture. Then immediately when we come to the other culture, we find it little difficult, isn't it? So that happens. So this lady also is like that. And this story was written by Lina Dinagra. So she is the Lina Dinagra. She has written, and this particular novel was taken in the Amritwal. So Amritwal written by Lina Dinagra. So she has written many novels, and she is very good at writing the novels, we can say. So within that, this small short story, she had a lot of experience in India when she has written from England. But within that, a small incident happened in her life when she returned and when she had gone for shopping in India. So what was her experience and all, we will be seeing in this story. So here, when we come for the normally we see to comparison of the cottage industries and small industries to the department stores makes me smile. Means cottage industry, very big complex. We see malls are there and small shops also will be there. So there are differences when we go, and small shops when we enter, there is a different experience we will have. When we go to the malls, we will have different experience. So there we cannot bargain or we cannot ask for the price, because everywhere one board will be there. What is that board? That is a fixed rate. So everything fixed rate they will be giving. Like this experience only she had. Fixed price, yes, section for this and that maybe, but the similarities end there. So that if they will be in malls, what will happen? They will be divided in section. Now here you go and do the shopping, and again you pay, you give your clothes there, again you come back, you come down and you pay the bill. For the bill one counter, again to collect your things you have to go to the other counter. So much confusion will be there. So much confusion will be there, and we sometimes we enjoy, sometimes we be irritated for this. So she also had all these things when she saw. She felt little different for her. So and initial is more like entering like a Aladdin caves. How she felt? When she entered to that malls, that industry cottages, she felt that she is entering into the Aladdin caves. Aladdin caves, why she has used in Aladdin, maybe in small classes you might have seen. That will be very, every time highlights will be there. We have to, oh next what is happening, different little excitement, different types of things will be there. So night time, how the hero acts like that. If you have seen Aladdin movie, then you will understand why she has used that Aladdin. So the next what happened, she felt like that. When she entered there, she felt that it is like a Aladdin case. The next one, the entrance lobby, or in keeping with a revealing spirit of the wedding season is an association and means when we go to the any function is there before the function not any festival before the festival in the big malls what they will be decorating the dolls they will decorate according to the festival like suppose now what is going to come Makar Sankranti. So for that according to that they decorate all the these dolls they will decorate they will keep how they make pongal in south side they make a pongal they wear the different new saree look different types of things. So according to that the mall will be decorated. So here also seeing that all that she felt a little display of a gold glitter colors and means they are decorated with the paper craft and with the sarees and with the flowers with the cardboards they were done with many things there and mixture of old and new past and present elaborated wedding sarees in reds and deep pinks and ornate antique hiding a village and a decade upward. So this all things whatever she has seen she felt a little bit different because in England and all they won't see this kind of things. Their way of shopping is different. Here the way in India we show the culture. We show in everything we show the culture but in the malls they will be showing little more extra because that all the taxes will be put on the people who is going to the malls. All these things she did and she has seen their wooden houses are kept and different kinds of jewelries they put in the dolls all the type of jewelries they had arranged and they made her like a bride. The doll is like a bride another doll is they have a bridegroom. They created in such a way they decorated everything. The shop is set out of 3 floors. So how many sections are there? 3 floors are there. Within that it's a different sections. So each floor is a different section. Especially laid out in the main thoroughfare. Disappear at the sides into the little fabric revealing fare from the Kashmir silks from Madras, sandalwood from Mysore, rosewood like this different what they have did different brand things will be they kept separate. This is a Mysore sandalwood from Mysore. Then the silk, so Banaras silk is from one side from Varnas. Like this they had kept in a different places, different items they had kept. So here colors, clothes, jewelries, bags, boxes, everything is in different sections they have. Much more. Arts and crafts from the length and breadth of India all gathered together in a stunning splendor. And all seeming to say Delhi still rules at the imperial capital of independent India. So here seeing all this she felt that everything they are showing. So seeing that in the malls when we see only we can understand India is an independent country. It strolled down the stairs. So she has seen everything. Then after that what she has done she started to look for something. Then slowly this Meera has thought that let me go and have a shopping. The first when she went she wanted to she is seeing all the different types of things looking my mind. So different when she saw many things she is a little confused what to buy what not to buy. Then finally she thought let me buy for my Maya one box. She likes plenty of boxes, so I will a collection of boxes she likes. So I will buy a box she thought. And she has seen the boxes when she has seen for the to keep her bangles or anything. Different models are there. Again she had a lot of confusion there. Again she thought let me buy different kinds of bangles or that also she thought seeing that she has confused and she has taken some or other. And finally she thought let me buy for my daughter what is that cars. So all these things she has shopped there. The first one what she has done. So my best, you see here. I suppose I could get them for me, but then what address could I put on them? So she thought first she has seen the cards. Then when she thought, can I buy for me? Then if I write, what address I will write, like that she was thinking. The next later maybe, and Maya, my little Maya, best to get her loads of things, and so loads of little packets or she can open. Yes, she did like. So what she thought, first she thought for her some greeting cards, but she thought, why again which address I will write? Let me not think for me, I will think of Maya. Maya means her little baby. So she thought, yes, I will buy for her different items, like different boxes I will make her packing. Then when she opens all the different packets and she sees different items, she will be very happy to see. Then she thought, what things I will keep in these boxes. Then first, could I get her a box and fill it with the bangles? Yes, it is good idea. Now what sort of your box? What suits? Means what kind of box I will take? She thought, yes, I will take a bangles and I will put it in the box and I will. Again she had it up. Which kind of box I will take? There are different kinds of boxes also are there. You see, inline box. So sandalwood. The next one, leather, cloth, covered, all sort of bangles. Silver bangles or brass bangles, enamel bangles, liquid banded glass bangles here. So everything she searched. Box also she has gone different and the bangles also. There are so many types of bangles are there. She was confused and finally somehow she took. Then upstairs, let us see bangles first upstairs. So she asked her, where is the bangles? Then she went to they told it is upstairs. So she went to there. Oh my goodness, those little brocade poses. She did love one of these. Must get one or two maybe. The mango motified. So mango means like an arm. So arm is in a mango means arm. So she thought she has seen different kinds of things there. A purses she has seen. Oh my God, these purses are very good and very beautiful. So I will take one or two. So then she said, and she has selected like a mango color. So that one she took. Very bold mango modified on the frequent that we and A. Frequent from Egypt, Indian modified. Did we export cloth to Egypt? That a long ago could have done, I suppose. Must go and check with A, V and A. You want this? So she has selected that they have written V and A something they have written. Then she thought, what is this meaning? Why they have written all these things? She started to think. Yeah, never mind. He smiles as he hands me 30 paisa in a stamps. So she took finally and she went to the counter and he took and he has given 30 paisa. For that he has given the stamps in her hand. But this sir, what do I do with this? They are stamps. He tells me. Then when he gave the stamps, then immediately, what is this? What will I do with these stamps? Then immediately he told, these are the stamps. I can see they are stamps. I say a bit irritated. So when again he told, ma'am, this is stamps, like that he told. Then immediately I know, I can see these are the stamps. My eyes are okay. Like a little irritation she has told. Good, he returns. You may now collect your parcel at a delivery counter downstairs. He smiles. So again what? In those who are in the cash counter or a deliver to give the things, in the shopping malls whenever we go to show the sarees also, very smiling, yes ma'am, what do you want ma'am? If they are not feel like laughing also, they will smile and speak to us. Because that is their duty. They cannot get angry. Yes, what will I show you? What can I show you? They have to, because that is the way of attracting the customers to their shops. But when she saw that smile, unnecessary smile, she felt little irritation. Then downstairs and other views. As I stand in it and observe that not absolutely everyone sticks to the rules, I reflect about system. What kind of system this is? Is this a bit of an in between system? Neither here nor there system. So again, when she has seen, they told you go to the delivery counter is down, you go there and collect your things. Again, she has seen some people are taking. So everybody is not following the rules and they are telling here to go, there to go. Now seeing this one, she felt that the systems are not allowed here or there. Wherever we go, some or other problems will be there in the system. Yes or no? So we think that many things we can change over. But some or other way, what happens? There are the things it takes in an ugly way, and we will not like it. So she also felt in that case only she did not like. Then again, what she has done, the kind of system you are used to. I collect my parcel, having decided to try my in the system of the open bazaar. Yes, as I go, I notice the section for shoes and sandals close by. I stayed for only a few seconds. I remember I will choose downstairs, pay upstairs, collect downstairs, and the system is too complicated for me. And outside the sun. So what she thought here, when she is thinking of all that, again she had a very confusion. She wanted to take for herself a shoe. But when she recalled what she purchased already for her daughter, some purse and bangle she has purchased. When she has, after that she has to go for the payment up, and again she has to come down and collect the things down. She has to search the things one place and give the payment one place and collect the things in another place. Everything she remembered, and immediately, my goodness, I don't want to shop anymore here. Let me go outside the bazaar. So there I can see. But when she looked out, it is little sunny. But still, she has tried. Then what she has done, we will see. The sugarcane juice, the street stalls all. As I step out into the crowded street, I follow the family of 4 walking in front of me, and so clearing the way for me free passage. Soon they have to cross the road, abandoning me to pay my own way down to the street. Touring through the tourist shoppers, street windows, and looking for a shoe shop. So here, the next day, what happened? She wanted to go for the shopping. What shopping? She wanted to buy a shoe for her. So then she came out of the mall and she started to follow one family. So that is because the outside the crowd, too much crowd is there. So then in front of them, when she is walking, she felt that I am getting little face. Somehow she went and after that they left. Then she was searching for the shoe shop. Then when she went to the shoe shop, what experience she had and all, we will see in the next class. So till here you read the lesson so that you also will understand little more clearly. Thank you.